Uh, what sparked the idea? I feel like we was losing the essence of
Well, oh, that's a savant right there. Forget just basketball intelligence. That's just overall high intelligence. I don't think I've ever heard anyone more eloquent, concise, and precise.
what sparked the idea.
That was 6 words. 4 of the 6 words was just repeating the question that he'd been asked. The other words were and the pauses were so long, I feel like those should count as words also. Let's try again.
I think I was getting
Okay, LeBron. LeBron's new Grammy winner, titled I think